Let me hear from the 209. Woo! That's right. Our voices are here today so the legislators in here can hear the need that we have. The last time I stood out here with a group of Valley folks, we were celebrating that people could get cars if they traded in their old one. And they brought up somebody from Stockton. As I was standing talking to the family, celebrating that they were getting rid of an old polluting truck and getting a new hybrid, somebody said to me, "Do you know that the woman has a bullet in her arm?" And I said, "What?" And sure enough, the day before, they had been a victim of a drive-by as they were taking invitations around for their daughter's high school graduation. A Latino family of 4 children. The mom here to get the car because if you give us a chance, we will show up. Even if we have to show up with a bullet in our arm to get our new car. Because that's how we roll. We are gritty. We will, if you give us a chance, we will show up. Which is what you've demonstrated today. It doesn't matter if it's raining. It doesn't matter if it's gray, because we know that we have to keep going towards that light, and so we can have true equity and true parity through the valley. I got a message last night from Stockton Unified School District that my daughter's school had been on lockdown yesterday. I asked her, "What happened, mija?" And she's like, "Oh, I think there was another shooting." It's a shame when a child doesn't even think they should tell their parent that the school was on lockdown because it happens so often. We are finally beginning to turn the tide on violence and crime. We cannot concede an inch of the progress that we've made. In the last couple of years, with the affordable health care and the expansion of Medicaid, we have gone to an extra almost 300,000 people are insured through Medi-Cal. Over 70,000 people in San Joaquin County are through the Affordable Care Act. If we lose that, my friends, we continue to go back. Our hospital systems, as it is now, have gone to unpaying people over 65 million, down to less than 3% of that. Our facilities can run if people have insurance to pay. The need for healthcare doesn't go away if you take people's insurance away. And on the issue of transportation, a 4-hour commute over the Altamont people had yesterday because of the weather and the potholes. Unacceptable for our people to have to sit in traffic for 4 hours to be able to go get for their work, with all that pollutants blowing right down and sitting in the valley as the fog begins to increase and the smog begins to increase. These are the things that we must push back on. The progress that we've made, we've got to raise the voice. Who wants to help me connect the ACE with the BART? Right? Who wants to help me get the Maritime Highway back up so that we can get ships taking things and get the trucks off the Altamont? Who wants to help me get a public university to Stockton, California? These are the kinds of things that we need to work on effectively together, and that's why I need your voice. These campaigns are big. And as people have said, we can't just be the benefits for coastal California and leave the valley behind. California has to rise as a whole, and then we can export our model of justice across the nation. But if we can't make it work for the whole state, it's not a model that we can export. So help me, lend your voices, let this building hear. Don't stop, we're not conceding, we're going forward. Do I hear a yes? Yes. Do I hear an amen? It is our justice, our right. We must stand for ourselves because we know if we don't lend our voices, we are ignored. So keep on fighting, keep on talking, keep on working, and we're not going back. God bless you all.